Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the distributives, both, either, and neither. Let's get started. Distributive determiners, or simply distributives, refer to a group of people or things and to individual members of the group. Note that they show different ways of looking at the individuals within a group, and they express how something is distributed, shared, or divided. Have a look at the example over here. Both of us like Mexican food. Note that both in this sentence is a distributive, and it refers to the pair who like Mexican food. Now, both refers to the whole pair and is equivalent to one and the other. Both can be used with plural nouns on its own, or it can be followed by of, with, or without an article. Now, when followed by a plural pronoun, both must be separated from the pronoun by of. Have a look at the examples below. Both of my parents approve of me going to college. Note that both in this sentence is used with a plural noun, parents, and it can't be with or without of. Both my parents. In this sentence, however, I told both of them to give me a call. Them is a pronoun, and so both must be followed by of. Note that both cannot be used with singular nouns because it refers to two things. Have a look at the sentences below. Both my sister likes traveling. Now this sentence would be incorrect because sister is in a singular form. And now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that we use both as an equivalent to one and the other. And you can use both with plural nouns on its own, or it can be followed by of, with, or without an article. Now, when followed by a plural pronoun, both must be separated from the pronoun by of. Now, read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate distributive. The parties signed the papers on Monday. Both of the parties signed the papers on Monday. Now, either is positive, and when used alone refers to one of the two members of the pair. It is equivalent to one or the other. Because it refers to just one member of a pair, remember that either must be used before a singular noun. Now, it can also be used with a plural noun or pronoun if followed by of. Now, read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate form of the distributive either. I haven't been to those cafes. I haven't been to either of those cafes. Also remember that either can be used with or in a construction that talks about each member of the pair in turn. Now the meaning remains the same, but in this case, either is not functioning as a distributive. It is functioning as a conjunction. Now read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate form of either. Stay with me, go away. Either stay with me or go away. Note that neither is negative, and when used alone refers to the whole pair. It is equivalent to not one or the other. And because it refers to just one member of a pair, neither must be used before a singular noun. Now, it can also be used with a plural noun or pronoun, but it must be followed by of. Now read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate form of the distributive neither. Classmate wanted to work on a project together with Peter. Neither classmate wanted to work on the project together with Peter. Also note that neither can be used with nor in a construction that talks about each member of the pair in turn. Now the meaning remains the same, but in this case, neither is not functioning as a distributive. It is functioning as a conjunction. Now read the following sentence and fill in the blanks using the appropriate form of neither. Mom, Dad came to our graduation ceremony. Neither Mom nor Dad came to our graduation ceremony. Here is a short story using the distributives both, either, and neither. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Do you want ice cream or cake? I want neither this nor that. Okay. Do you want tea or coffee? I'll have either juice or milk. Neither thing is good for you. Either stop being picky or I'll stop treating you. And now, it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and complete them with both, either, or neither. A. Where is Kim? Is she at work or at home? She's on vacation in Peru. B. Do you want tea or coffee? I'll have what you want. C. This dress or that green one. We can't afford of them. D. We are huge fans of their music. Of us want to go to their concert. E. Is it the 13th or the 14th today? It's the 16th. And now, rewrite the following sentences using both and, either or, neither nor. A. I don't have time and desire to go to the party. B. Adam was late and Kate was late too. C. Is he James or John? I don't remember his name, but it's one of the two. D. She didn't smile. She didn't cry. E. We can't stay for a little longer or leave right now. It's up to you. And now, let's check your answers. Where is Kim? Is she at work or at home? Neither. She's on vacation in Peru. Do you want tea or coffee? Either. I'll have what you want. Either this dress or that green one. We can't afford both of them. We are huge fans of their music. Both of us want to go to their concert. Is it the 13th or the 14th today? Neither. It's the 16th. I have neither time nor desire to go to the party. Both Adam and Kate were late. His name is either James or John. She neither smiled nor cried. We can either stay for a little longer or leave right now. Thank you for watching this tutorial.